Hello, today in front of me I have this Doogee S98 smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the settings app. Here scroll down and find the apps category. At the apps category you want to go for the default apps. Here choose browser app, and all that it's left to do is to select Opera, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully set it as the default app for browsing. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Here at the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar picture, then the gear icon that stands for settings. Scroll the page for a little bit. Next, go for the default browser section, click on the next button, select Opera, and set it as default. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.